Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add a new video to an existing playlist in YouTube Studio. So let's get started. So here I am having a playlist already created and it has 8 videos in it. So I want to add a new video to this playlist. So the first step is going to be selecting the video which you want to add to the playlist, and once you have done selecting it, you'll be having this edit icon which is called as details. Just click that, and if you just scroll down, we will be having this playlist drop down. It will be empty by default. If you click that, you will be getting the list of playlists that are available for your channel. In my case, this is the playlist name for which I want to add. So I'll just go here and add it. If you want to search that playlist, you can. After checking that, you can even add to multiple playlists. That's totally up to you. I'll just select this one and click on done, and don't forget to click on save. That's it, changes are saved, and if I just now refresh it, we'll be having 9 videos over here, and by default the video gets added as a last video in the playlist. So what if you wanted to change the order of this video in our playlist? In that case, you can just click on the edit in YouTube option. And there are two ways how you can change the order. One is by clicking on these 3 dots and selecting move to top and move to bottom. This just moves the video to the topmost position or the bottommost. And in case if you just want to move the playlist up, if you just hover over these 2 lines, we'll be getting this draggable thing. Just click and drag it and put it over here. That's it. By this way we can change the order also. You can just do this, anything you can do. And if I just close this and refresh, and here you can see that video has gone one step ahead because of us changing the order. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.